Hey guys, it's Tim from Hunua Waterfalls. Picture this, I wasn't just chilling, I was busting some dance moves on a massive rock next to the waterfall. It felt like my own dance party with the water groove. Guess what? I went right under the waterfall. Yep, the water was pouring down, and I was right there, feeling the mist and giggling like crazy. And let's not forget the snacks. I had the ultimate combo of fish and chips, veggies to be exact. While enjoying my feast, some hungry ducks waddled over, and I couldn't resist sharing a few veggies with my favorite buddies. Stay tuned for more giggles and surprises at Tim's channel. Wait, no, 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 no.